Alright guys, so in this video I want to quickly show you guys how to set up an organization account. So to do so, first you want to go to the main OpHub site. Then from there, all you want to do is click on slash um, sign up slash org. So it already autofills. So you click on that. So as you guys can see, that's basically what it is. ophub.com slash sign up slash org. So once you're here, as you guys can see, I've already created an account in the past. So it's giving me some auto-filled things. But from here, all you want to do is type in the name of your organization. So I'll just type in OPHUB official, I guess, and then we can go on the email, and I'll type in the info, but we'll type in info official, right? So obviously for you guys, type in your actual emails for your organizations, and here for the password, just make sure it's at least 6 characters. So I'll just type in there, and we can click get started. So once you get started, it'll show up this page. So this is the first page that you'll come across, which is set up organization profile. And from here, you basically just need to upload a bit of information regarding your organization. So you basically need to put the link. So for this one, I'll just put a random link, but make sure that the link you're putting is actually I'll show you guys. So make sure it is a HTTPS link or HTTP link. So what I mean is don't simply put in ophub.com, right? Like don't put in something like this. Instead, try and put in like the entire thing, which looks something like this. It starts with the HTTP, right? And then for a description, you can basically mention anything you want. You can also adjust this. And org type is basically where you indicate what type of organization you are. So we have 4 main categories, so please choose from one of these. And yeah, so for here, I'll just put in, we're mainly high school, right? Although we're not academic, so you'll probably choose youth organization for OPHUB, and we'll probably say something like other not-for-profit, right? So you can basically choose multiple, and you can also delete if you added in one extra. So that is pretty easy to navigate. And the region here is referring to basically where are you guys operating in. So if you guys are have people all across the world, then you would probably be an international / global organization. Whereas if you guys are only operating within a particular country, then you can basically specify that if it's one of our popular countries, or you can also just say one of the continents, because we haven't yet been able to accommodate for all of the different countries. So I'm going to choose global. And from here, just say where is your organization based. So we're looking more for a city, right? So for ours, we'll put Mississauga, Canada, Mississauga, Ontario, Canada, right? So something like that format where you have city, state / province, and then your country. So the sector here is referring to basically sort of what type of organization are you guys in terms of the fields that you guys are in. So for most of the organizations, you guys will probably be something like social and civic. So this basically is referring to more so of not-for-profits and things like that. However, for OPHUB, we're also quite heavy into technology because we are building this platform, right? And we also can choose maybe an other if there is other things that you would like to choose. That is it. And the last part is choosing a profile picture. So we would highly recommend only going with a square image, right? So as you guys can see, I already have this square image loaded up. And please only upload a square image, because anything that is not a 1:1 aspect ratio, aka square, then it'll basically cut off. So now that we have everything here, we can go ahead and set up post. As you guys can see, this is the organization portal, and you guys can see we have our image here. And just in case if you guys did want to change anything in terms of the profile that we just set up, you can click on edit profile and just set up your host once again, right? So let's say I want to also add another org type. Let's say I want to say governmental organization, and then we can just set up host, and everything should be updated nice and clean. So from here, if you guys do want to learn how to add a really good opportunity, then click on the link in the description where I go over that.